Now I would like to show you how to create a point on a line with the function createPointSingle on line. It is a little more complicated than with the function on line. In fact, you don't click with this function the position of the point directly. With the first click, you will set a position from which you will indicate the distance where you want to get the point created, for example at 8 cm. The window to indicate the distance opens when you click in the direction of the point to be created. This could be a difficulty if you are a beginner. So please follow my instruction carefully. Imagine you want to create a point in the middle line of your front piece at 10 cm from the neck hole. Select the function createPointSingle on line and move your cursor to the position from which you want to indicate the 10 cm, in our case the neck hole. Be careful, your cursor must be exactly on this point, but before you click, press the function key F4 in order to select the correct line, the line where the point is to be created. Don't move your cursor and click when the correct line is highlighted. Move then your cursor in the direction where you want to get the point created and click. In this window you have the possibility to indicate one value. If you don't change the distance which is displayed, the point will be created at the middle of the element. The small cross in red color indicate this position as a preview. If you want to have 10 cm, indicate 10 and click on OK or press Enter. The point has been created at 10 cm. Imagine you want now to create a point at 10 cm from the other end of the element. Move your cursor to the origin. In my case, it is not needed to use F4 because the correct element is highlighted in yellow. Click this origin point and click again in the direction where you want to get the point. Enter the distance 10 cm. The point is created.